Hello, students! Welcome back to Medicos. Today we're diving into the fascinating process of excitation-contraction coupling in skeletal muscle. This is a critical concept for understanding muscle physiology. First, action potentials in the muscle cell membrane initiate the depolarization of the T-tubules. Next, depolarization of the T-tubules causes a conformational change in the dihydropyridine receptors. This change opens calcium release channels, also known as ryanodine receptors, in the nearby sarcoplasmic reticulum, releasing calcium into the intracellular fluid. As a result, the intracellular calcium concentration increases. Calcium binds to troponin-C on the thin filaments, causing a conformational change that moves tropomyosin out of the way. This allows the cross-bridge cycle to begin. Let's break down the cross-bridge cycle. Initially, myosin is tightly attached to actin with no ATP bound. ATP then binds to myosin, causing it to release from actin. Myosin is displaced toward the plus end of actin as ATP is hydrolyzed to ADP, an inorganic phosphate. Myosin attaches to a new site on actin, generating a power stroke. ADP is released, returning myosin to its rigor state. This cycle repeats as long as calcium is bound to troponin-C. Relaxation occurs when calcium is reaccumulated by the sarcoplasmic reticulum K2 plus AChRs, or circa. As the intracellular calcium concentration decreases, calcium is released from troponin-C, and tropomyosin again blocks the myosin binding sites on actin, preventing cross-bridge cycling. Finally, let's discuss tetanus. A single action potential releases a standard amount of calcium, producing a single twitch. However, repeated stimulation causes more calcium to be released from the SR, increasing intracellular calcium concentration and extending cross-bridge cycling time. This prevents the muscle from relaxing, resulting in tetanus. To summarize, we've covered the initiation of action potentials, calcium release, the cross-bridge cycle, muscle relaxation, and the mechanism of tetanus. Understanding these steps is essential for grasping muscle function and physiology. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more medical education content.